Friend would be here the whole time.
Then into paberinator, siame he sushi sashimi sanga hel salmon hel ani chu amzia chu chuanin he avocado te cucumber le crab te hi aneu leu ho bol lo boya da lo pui ve char char boka da sushi roll chan chen to don seaweed la what are you going to put for filling?
Maybe salmon and some avocado. So the rice is a short grain rice, especially for sushi.
Oh, I thought it's jasmine rice.
No, it's special rice for sushi from Japan.
Okay.
And
Let me see your fish here.
And here what I'm doing next, I'm going to put a little bit of this.
Oh, from the garden.
Yeah. So what I do here is I actually put a little bit of sesame. And just for the color of the black sesame. Like that. Then I flip it.
Oh.
Yeah, because I like the rice on the outside. I put a little bit of Japanese mayo that I made myself.
Okay.
My own ingredients. Then I put a little bit of this. Then I'm going to put a little bit of cucumber.
Cucumber is also from the garden, right?
Yes. Everything is from the garden except the salmon and the seaweed.
Avocado.
Yeah, next year we're gonna
and carrots.
Next year we're gonna have avocado, right?
That will be tough. Carrots are from the garden too.
And the salmon. Like that.
Cut it thinner, right?
Yeah, put a little bit of avocado because I like avocado with the salmon. Now, I'm going to try something new because I didn't do that the last time. I just need to do like that. Squeeze it and do like that. Now it's perfect the way it is because now I'm just going to do like that. And you see, get the perfect form. Tuck.
All you need now is a sharp knife.
And not even. It's perfect like that. Now I'm taking this knife, or this knife actually. I'm gonna make a nice. Oh yeah, this one is gonna be perfect. It's better than last time because I made the. I cut the seaweed in half this time. So you see now, each one of us, we're gonna have some specific.
Oh, the plate looks more beautiful now.
Duck.
The red rice.
And this one is gonna be just one for now. And
is it the same one?
no, I'm gonna put dragon roll on this one. Dragon roll has those two little things here. See if I'm gonna cut them. Yeah, thank you. I'll put them like this so they can nicely decorate on the outside. Do you want avocado in the dragon roll? I don't remember if we put avocado. I think we do. We like avocado everywhere, right? like the other one. I bought it before, and same as the other one. I'm just gonna squeeze it a little bit more, like that, and like that. It's a dragon roll. Dragon roll has these two dragons coming outside of the thing here. It's a shrimp tempura. Need to make cuts a little bit bigger because otherwise it will fall. You see the shrimp inside. You remember how big they were? And they went, look at how small and tiny they are now.
And did we do that, like, with the sheet on the...
I did the same the other day. But the only thing I like the rice outside. You guys like the rice outside? Canoe. Yeah. I'm gonna roll it. And then after that, make like a square. Square. Push a little bit the avocado that wants to escape here. And I cut it. Okay. This one, guys, is a California roll. Okay. We only have two things like this and two pair of chopsticks. That's fine. Shantine, that's yours. Come.
Yeah, enjoy. I'm taking you how we were enjoying.
Oh, you're using it? Okay.
I'm using it.
Wow, is it good?
I'm using my hands. Never have this look.